Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2020 BMW X2 M Sport. It's got 241 horsepower. You have the M Sport steering wheel, shift paddles. You have the Sensitech synthetic leather. Here's your shifter right there. And the screen is touchscreen, as well as you can use that knob. Not bad. I mean, this car is just literally like there's nothing really crazy about this car. It's just a small, compact SUV for someone who wants a BMW and wants something that they can commute in. You know what I mean? It is a bit cramped in here, for me at least. But I think I'm 6'1", I feel a little bit cramped. I think if you're like, you know, shorter than like 5'9" or something, or 5'10", this would probably be okay. Yeah, I mean it's a comfortable cruiser. It's a BMW, you know. So these X2s, they basically released it to have something like, it's based off the X1 obviously, it's just like a coupe version of the X1. It looks a little bit unique compared to other BMWs. It stands out a little bit. Not quite sure why someone would be walking along the highway. That's not a smart idea. Well, let's go for a quick walk around on this X2 before concluding this video. Got LED headlights. It's a pretty small SUV, as I was saying. It's kind of like a hatchback. It's really compact. Dual outlet exhaust. It's interesting how they have the BMW logo over here, like the XM. That when they released that, I was that's one of the only cars that has a BMW logo on the back over there. Wheels look pretty good too. But anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. I'm out.